Did you know that snoring is the #1 symptom of sleep apnea? Did you know that sleep apnea is a life-threatening condition? It causes oxygen deprivation to the brain. Instead of being asleep, you or a loved one might really be lying unconscious in bed. Have you ever awoken startled with a snort? Have you ever woken up because your partner stopped snoring in the middle of the night? If so, it was because intuitively, instinctively, you or your partner knew something was dangerously wrong. In fact, breathing had stopped. If you're still listening, then you need to take action. You're about to learn 5 secrets that most people will never know about how to really stop snoring. If you give us 3 minutes a day, we will help you stop snoring here at the Sleeping Disorder Help Center. When you register for the free How to Stop Snoring report, you're going to learn secrets like the 3 most powerful exercises to open up a narrow throat, how 3 extra pillows, when used correctly, can instantly open up your airways and stop your snoring, the 2 single most effective sleeping positions that diminish 90% of snoring the very first night you use them, how to quickly find out if you have an airway block in your nose, and 2 exercises to quickly start curing it. The single most important thing you must know about a weak jaw that's causing you to snore heavily, and much, much more, sent straight to your inbox. Just go to the web link below on the screen, and you will use your first name, primary email address,